Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, we will discuss about digital marketing. In today's fast technology driven world, it's no secret that digital marketing is a game changer as businesses increasingly transactions through online platforms. The signification of digital marketing has never been more evident. In this video, we will explore the realm of digital marketing, its key components, and the strategies you need to excel in the digital landscape. What is digital marketing? Digital marketing encompasses a broad spectrum of online activities aimed at promoting products, services, or brands to a global audience. It's it's leveraged the internet, electronic devices, and digital channels to connect with international customers. The primary objective is the drive brand awareness, engagement, and lucratively conventions. The evolution of digital marketing. The origins of digital marketing can be traced back to the early days of the internet when email marketing and basic websites were the primary tools. However, the field has since evolved significantly. Today, digital marketing encompasses an array of strategies, channels, and techniques from social media and content marketing to search engine optimization, SEO, and pay-per-click advertising. Content marketing. Content marketing is the cornerstone of digital marketing. It involves creating and distributing valuable, relevant content and attract and engage a target audience. Blog posts, videos, infographics, and social media posts are examples of content marketing. Social media marketing. With millions of users worldwide, social media platforms are a goldmine of digital marketers. This component involves creating and sharing content on social media networks like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn to increase brands' visibility and connect with the audience. Email marketing. Email marketing remains a powerful tool for nurturing leads and retaining customers. Involves sending personalized emails to subscribers, offering valuable content, promotions, or updates. Search engine optimization. SEO is the process of optimizing a website's content to rank higher in search engine results aids. Effective SEO helps increase organic traffic and in turn brands exposure. Strategies of digital marketing success. Now that we have explored that fundamental components of digital marketing, let's delve into the strategies that can help you succeed in the dynamic field.